Hi friends, welcome to our Art Life channel. Today we're gonna make multi paper strip flower or cauliflower. For that we need two multicolors strip 300 by 300 mm, 300 mm, 600 mm strip, two strips of 600 mm, and a glue, one yellow strip, and the rolling. So let's start. Make the coil of this. The extra. Make the joint of both of them. Then take the knee of open. We'll make this size, not the exact this size, but as we can make like this. See, we put some glue bottom, make it joint, fix it. Now you just put the small round coil in the middle and press same like this, both sides. The size will be the same. When you press, then just make the edges. Okay, now bend it. We make together these two corners and this shape. Put the glue on the edges. Make it in a petal shape. We are making the edge. This flower we will put glue. Now we are gonna be. It's up to you how much you want to thick the edge. If you make it thick, it makes more beautiful. It's depend on your petal size. If you want to show the edge, the highlight, it's good, you can make a thick. Now it's ready. I already made the others petals. Now we are going to make the joint. Friends, we make it multicolor strip flowers, you can see. So we done it. I hope you learned something from this multicolor quilling flower from our channel Art Life. So keep watching. If you like this one, please like, say something about the video, or whatever you want to learn, just comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you for our next video. Bye.